Hi, welcome back to this channel. If you are not done with part 1, so I suggest you watch part 1. So we are now in part 2 of easyclass.com series. So as I promised, I will teach you how to create or make your quizzes or exam in easyclass.com. So we are now in General Chemistry 2. So we have 12 new done. I will use this class to create a quiz. So name, for example, matter. That is the topic. So should be graded. Do not check that one. If it is ungraded, you're not going to grade. So for example, I will set the schedule this coming Friday. Then the time 12. Then save. So I already booked their quiz. So here for the quiz settings, so please hide the quiz so that it will not show up in there in the student wall. Then you have a schedule date. We already set the date for this one. Time limit. Yes. Then for example, 20 minutes. Show results. Yes. Show correct answers. No. Or yes. So it's up to you. Then randomize the question. It's up to you as well. So you can randomize it anyway. The system will check the paper. Then normal, type of exam, or you can set 3 wrong answers, cancel 1 correct, or 4 wrong answer, cancel 1 correct to make the test very difficult. Then don't forget to save the settings. So let's click this one, 25th, then the time. Then save the settings. So you already saved the settings. Then you can now add question. So let's say multiple choice. So that is the type of the exam, multiple choice. Then the points. So this is only 1 point. For example, question number 1. So which substance is a which substance is a metal? Then you type the choices. Then add another response. Then iron. Okay, so you select the right answer. So which substance is metal? Of course, we have iron as the correct answer. So that is the answer key or the correct key. Then create question. So add another question, multiple choice again, number 2. Which mixture can be separated by simple distillation? So A, crude oil. B, milk. Then add another response. for letter C, water. Then another response for letter D, sun and water. Okay, so we know the answer for this one, sun and water. There. Then don't forget to set the number of points. So 1. So create a question. So we have 2 questions already. So add a question, true or false, for number 3. So we will just mix it today. But the usual assessment, we don't mix multiple choice from true or false. So you better separate that one. So for this tutorial, so just to show you how to make a quiz, so we will just limit it here. So for true or false, we can separate the components of water by simple distillation. So true or false? So the answer is false. So for example, you change it into 2. Then create question. Then add another question, this time short answer or essay. So number 4, suggest way or ways to separate the components of crude oil. Explain your answer. So 10 points since this is short answer or essay. So there's no answer key for this one. So later on you're going to check it manually, because the computer cannot check that one automatically because it's essay. Then create a question so that it will be registered or loaded. So you can also load a previously created question. So that is your like a test bank. So if you already have like bunch or many quiz papers, okay? So there, that one will be saved. So later on, you're going to check that one. Then quiz wall, you can write a comment in the quiz wall later on. So last Friday, the students are very excited and nervous, as they said, because it's their first time to take a synchronous type of quiz. So they waited until like 12. So the quiz was set for 20 minutes only. They said pressured. They are pressured with the quiz, even though the quiz is just 10 items. So it's set for 20 minutes. So they said it's awesome and a good experience to them, because I'm already preparing them for their online learning. So I'm looking for ways or better ways for their assessment, so that they have their synchronous type of quiz or exam, so that I can get an authentic grade. So if it is synchronous type of assessment, they cannot share answers with the other classmates. So they will take the quiz or assessment at the same time, and they are pressured with a time limit. Hopefully you like this easyclass.com series of tutorial. So if you have a question, just drop a comment and I will try to answer them. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified with the latest video. So goodbye and thank you for watching.